Okay, finally, so my setup software only is worked, but it's not working. So I just clicked on the input and clicked on the mouse integration. So my mouse was started to working. Now press next. Yeah. So enterprise edition and standard edition are there. So I'm just go for the enterprise edition. Yeah, my Oracle base directory. Always remember the two directory, which is very important, home and base directory. Base directory is the Oracle. Okay, so U01 app Oracle is the base directory. So I'm keep it as it is. Now this is the Aura inventory directory, which is the Aura inventory, U01 app Aura inventory, and group name is the O install. Here some group permissions and group names are there. So we will do it later on manually. Right now I'm not doing this anything. Just click next. Automatic run configuration script. Okay, so I'm not doing this anything right now. Just next. Fine. So it will take some time, guys. Okay. Preparing the perform checks. So it's a time taking process. No, might be it's not time taking process. I'm wrong here again. It will complete very fast. Yeah, finally, so every informations are here. We can save this response file as well. What we have done, that all the things are here. We can change it by edit also. So in summary, just click on the install. Installation process is started.